Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make long-lasting batteries. To begin, understanding the fundamental chemistry of your battery type is crucial for maximizing its lifespan. We'll then dive into proper charging habits, which are key to preventing premature wear. You'll also learn why keeping your batteries away from very hot or very cold conditions is so important. Finally, we'll cover simple maintenance tips that can add years to your battery's life. When it comes to charging, aim to keep your battery between 20 and 80% for everyday use. Constantly draining it to 0% can stress the cells and shorten its life. Always use the charger specifically designed for your device, as incompatible chargers can cause damage. Once your battery reaches full capacity, unplug it to prevent overcharging, which can generate unnecessary heat. Temperature plays a huge role in battery health. Storing your batteries in a cool, dry place, ideally around 20 degrees Celsius, is best. High heat is a major enemy, causing irreversible damage and reducing overall capacity over time. While cold temperatures temporarily reduce performance, they are less damaging than heat. For extended storage, charge your battery to about 50% before putting it away. Regular maintenance can significantly extend battery life. Keep battery terminals clean to ensure efficient power transfer and prevent corrosion. Protect your battery from physical impacts or punctures, as this can cause internal damage. For rechargeable batteries, performing a full discharge and recharge cycle every few months can help calibrate the battery management system. Finally, replace batteries when their capacity drops below 80% of the original.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.